Hey, jumping right back in, we're right where we left off. Actually, this is the same exact chart. I just wanted to go over a little bit more with you that we did not cover in the other one. I kind of skipped through that, thinking that you might already know everything. So it's my mistake. Here we are. I'm going to go over what the charts are. So this is the only Forex pair that we have left, which is the GU. And you can see here that we have the 1 minute slash a Heiken Ashi charts that are kind of the 1 minute average. We have the Renko charts, which on the GU, each one of those Renko blocks is 3 pips. And then we have the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, daily, and weekly. And this will be the same all across each one of these pairs. The next pair is the US100, which is a NASDAQ. Each one of these candles are worth 10 pips. And then again with the US30, which is the Dow Jones, we have each one is also worth 10 pips. As you can see, that was, quite a move, 120 pip move. Then we have gold down at the bottom, and I believe, I'm not sure how they changed this yet. I'm not sure if he changed them to 50. I think 50 pip candles, so lots of pips in that move there, and same across the board. It's the HA, it's the CO, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, daily, and weekly. So that's the charts in the nutshell. That's how laid out. They're pretty simple to get used to, once you learn the basics. And then that's what I'm here for, just to kind of go over the basics with you. And you will go through, much more in the chat. And I think the next video we'll go over maybe just a little bit of terminology in there. And I'll see you there.